Welcome down to Chessington World of Adventures here on UK Theme Park. My name's Adam and today is a very quick update from Chessington World of Adventures. We're not going in today because we're going somewhere else, but we just asked the guy here and he said we can go up and take a couple of pictures. Obviously the high ropes is still open, which is why this area here is still open. It's all safe and everything's locked up, so you know, as long as you don't trespass, you're okay. Now then, one thing we want to show you today, one thing that we know is going up that we want to show you, and that is pretty much it. The park is open for zoo days. There's no real access around the site area, so it's not like we can go in and you know, try and get some more coverage for you. But once you see this, you'll understand that is the video. So let's head up there now and let's show you the changes for the exciting changes for the very first time Chessington World of Adventures have an inversion. So some more track is laid here in the car park. Cool does that look? There's more track out here waiting to go in. Love a bit of B&M track. There it is, the very first inversion for Chessington World of Adventures. How good does that look? That is a turn, that is. Look at that. There we have it, short but sweet. We got some track still in the car park. There's actually a couple of supports left in there as well. I'm guessing they're for the coming out the station bit here, because I don't believe that bit's finished yet. And there is some track as well in the top car park and the bottom car park, which you may have seen already elsewhere. We've got some close-ups of that for you, but of course the big thing is we have an inversion here at Chessington World of Adventures on the new Jumanji coaster, and the angle in which it comes out of that station, bearing in mind this thing is going to launch at sort of 50+ miles an hour out of that station, that is an incredible turnaround point. When you think of Swarm and you think about you know, how those vehicles move and how big they are, that is a tight turn, So yeah, very quick update here from Chessington World of Adventures. What do you think? What do you think? The very first inversion here at the park. I can't wait. Can't wait. So excited for the World of Jumanji. From Chessington World of Adventures, my name's Adam. This has been UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.